Welcome to Fashion Blast, your space for timeless beauty and confident aging. Today we are sharing 34 stunning shaggy hairstyles that are perfect for women over 50 who want to look fresh, youthful, and stylish. In 2025, the shag haircut is back and it's better than ever for mature women with soft layers, natural texture, and easy movement. The shag is ideal for adding volume and framing the face without too much effort. It's one of the most flattering and low maintenance styles for aging hair. The feather shag, soft layers around the crown and face. The curly shag, perfect for natural waves and coils. The choppy shaggy bob, a shorter, playful option. The long shag with bangs, youthful and flowing. Whether your hair is fine, grey, or thick, there's a shag style that will work beautifully for you. A well cut shag brings energy and softness to your look. It reduces heaviness, adds lift at the crown, and creates movement with that feels natural and elegant. Pair it with curtain bangs or wispy fringe to open up your face and soften lines. At 50, 60, or even 70, you deserve a haircut that reflects your personality, fun, free, and confident. These 34 shaggy hairstyles are proof that aging beautifully starts with loving how you look. Which shag style was your favorite? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow Fashion Blast for more age-defying styles and ideas. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.